Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Hey, welcome back everyone to Fairbanks Evening News. Once again, take a look at the weather. Mike Schultz. Is that. Again, thanks to Daniel Sladen for sending in that photograph. You have a photograph to share, send it to Mike Schultz at ktbf11.com. Here's your numbers for this time of year. The normal high 20 above, the normal low 8 below. A little cooler today, about 15 degrees. Record high 1984, record low 1956. Sunrise this morning at 7:42, sunset 6:26, which is 10 hours and 44 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And right now at the airport, it is 9 degrees with our high of 18 degrees today. All right, here's our satellite picture. As you can see, we're looking at a pretty good sized storm coming in from the southwest. That storm is going to be bringing in with it warm temperatures and a lot of wind, not a whole lot of precipitation because most of it's heading off to the west. We'll tell you more about that a little bit later on. What's going on across the rest of the state? Well, things are clear over southeast Alaska. A little fog around Kodiak Island. The snow is falling across the southwest part of the state. Nome getting ready for a lot of snow. 4 below at Barrow and Fort Yukon 7 above with partly cloudy skies. Lower 48 weather, once again more rain moving in on the Pacific Northwest and over the southern sections of California with the storm system that brought the snow to the Midwest moving rapidly over to the northeast. You can see the remnants of that moving out over the Atlantic Ocean. Here comes the next storm system. This one's going to be a little bit slower and bring a lot of rain to California, it looks like, because the jet stream once again is going to be taking a big dive down to the south, and that system is going to end up bringing a lot of cold air all the way down as far south as southern parts of Arizona, while rain and thunderstorms out ahead of this frontal system expected to bring maybe some severe weather to the Midwest over the weekend. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Northern sections blowing snow at Barrow, snow in Nome, and sunny skies for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at it looks like increasing clouds for Fairbanks and strong winds near Healy. And also over southeast Alaska, it looks like sunny skies will continue for Juneau and Ketchikan. While out to the southwest, we're looking at snow in Bethel, high winds at Cold Bay, and heavy rain at Kodiak Island. And over south central sections, winds around the Anchorage Bowl, rain showers at Homer, rain and snow for Valdez. We have a wind situation we want to tell you about right now. This one is, well, we'll tell you about that a little bit later on after we get through the Kids Weather Watch, which once again we're talking with our kids from Wood River Elementary School, and a young man has a question for me tonight.
Hi, my name is Jake, and I'm in Mr. Cox's 4th grade class at Wood River. Here's my question for the weatherman. When do you think the snow will melt?
That's a good question. I don't know how you're going to tell when the snow is going to melt. Obviously, we get our warmer temperatures moving in toward probably around April time frame. But right now, it looks like a nice weather for this weekend and then cooling off for next week. Okay, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank. And tomorrow night, another young man will be here. And his teacher is going to come in here and give us a cool weather fact. Once again, we have a high wind warning in effect into Friday morning for Healy and Delta Junction. Hurricane force winds will be developing in the canyons later on this evening, and winds could gust as high as 75 miles per hour. So keep that in mind. Our forecast for tonight, continue high clouds, not as cold, 2 degrees below zero. Tomorrow's forecast, 29 above, increasing clouds, and the extended forecast, as you can see here, looking at temperatures to continue right around the freezing mark, then cooling off a little bit by Sunday and Monday, and then a little bit of a reprieve for warmer temperatures. After that, I think some colder air will be moving back into the interior. Nothing really drastic. Daytime highs, overnight lows, I should say, still very nice and mild all the way through the weekend, it looks like.
Hurricane winds
yeah,
tonight?
Yeah. No, not tonight. Tomorrow in the around the the Denali Park area.
Wow.
Yeah, the canyons will funnel those winds.
Patches, huh?
Yeah, if you're driving through there with any high-profile vehicles, keep that in mind.